Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find all the divisors of an integer. So let's get started. In the first line, this defines a function named checkDivisor that takes one argument number. This function is designed to find all the divisors of the given number. Here, in the next line, this line converts the number to its absolute value using built-in absolute function. This ensures that the function works correctly for both positive and negative integers, as divisors are generally calculated for positive value. In the next line, this creates an empty list named divisors. This list will be used to store all the divisors of the given number. Now, in the next line, this starts a for loop that iterates over all integers from 1 to number inclusively, and ranges generates a sequence of numbers starting from 1 and ending at a number. In the next line inside the loop, this checks if a divisor of number percentage I computes the remainder when number is divided by I. If the remainder is 0, then I is a divisor of number. In the next line, if I is a divisor, it is added to the divisors list using the append method. In the next line, once a loop is complete, the function returns the divisors list containing all the divisor of the number. This line is for user to input a integer using input method. Now, in the next line, this calls the checkDivisor function with the user provided number as the argument. The function returns the list of divisor which is used to store in the variable divisor. Now, this line prints the list of the divisors. Let's check this program. Hence, all the divisors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Thanks for watching this video.